different types of seats. Okay, so let's give the name as well. Let's give some bigger text. Okay, so let's give some bigger text. So this is A1. So this is A2. So this is A3. A3, then this will be A4. So let's try to fit in that where exactly it fits well. Okay. So let's take only see panel wise, you do the single line diagram, it would be great. Okay. So you take this. This is one single panel. So we'll just take this one. Let's try to fit in that where exactly. See, when you keep here, ideally this would be the diagram for that. Okay, so you don't need to mention this existing stuff, all those things. So let's see the text height of this. See 2.5, it is already there. So what is the text, this thing? The font actually or yes, okay. So likewise you set here. Then here we need to have some space for our drawing this. That. Okay. So there is a quite a lot of difference that how you see the single line diagram and etc. Right. So basically you have to increase the width, right? Something that you need to differ. Okay. So the bus bar should be clearly mentioned here as well. Okay. So any interlock as such that you have to show it. I'm just deleting it, but you have to plan it like that. See, our way of diagram is should be like that. And here you